What's up? What's up? Fucking tripped out. Yeah, I guess I better sit down. Hit the zip, hit the O. Tell me what you think you know. Mind spinning fast, but I'm always puffing slow. Fuck a label, got the weed up on the table. Half past noon, and I'm already floating like a balloon. Bump a tune, tell me I ain't putting down. Foot to the ground while I'm pushing now. Stay true, can't stop loving you. You make my mind smile. Fast as fuck, like a time trial. All the while, I guess it's just how you operate. Yeah, I got that pay as long as you cooperate and stop the hate. Swagging when I'm with you. If I'm not, I'll probably miss you. About to plant this memo and hope that you never let go, but I can't ever settle. Matter of fact, I'ma take that back. You're the one I need up in my lap, always on my mind like a motherfucking cap. I'ma rob you.
Bitch, I'ma steal you.
Conceal. Bitch, I'ma rob you.
Bitch, I'ma steal you.
Starry eyes are a part of life, and life is about the time. Time is of the essence, yeah, the app is what I'm rapping. Need to get with you from time to time. Got them eyes that could make me go blind, but it's good. It's not what we should be, but what we could be. Wish you understood me, brains over brawn. Mowing down bitches like the lawn. Mary got me feeling gone. Wheeling strong, I'll give you that needed reassurance. To keep your head turning for certain, and I hope it's working. I could rap for days just to captivate the mind of strays that can relate. Don't believe the doubters and don't leave your founders, no matter the hardship. Cause I plan to eat with the same motherfuckers that I starved with. Flow so retarded, please don't get me started. I don't play games, these are just lyrical brainwaves where the pain lays, motherfucker. And I think I need you.